Welcome back to course number 9, Taxes and Paychecks. In this lecture, we'll cover the basics of federal and state income taxes. Understanding how taxes work is critical for managing your paycheck, filing your tax return, and planning your financial future. Income taxes are payments you make to the government based on the money you earn. The federal government, and in many cases, state governments, use this money to fund programs and services such as national defense, healthcare, schools, and infrastructure. Federal income tax is applied to most types of income, including wages, salaries, and tips. The amount you pay depends on how much you earn and your filing status, such as single, married, or head of household. The U.S. tax system is progressive, which means the more you earn, the higher your tax rate. Federal income taxes are divided into brackets. Each bracket has its own rate, and your income is taxed in portions across these brackets. For example, part of your income may be taxed at 10%, the next portion at 12%, and so on. This ensures that not all of your income is taxed at the highest rate you qualify for. In addition to federal taxes, most states also collect income tax. The rules vary widely. Some states have progressive systems like the federal government, others have flat tax rates, and a few states have no income tax at all. Where you live determines how much state tax you'll owe. When you start a job, your employer withholds money from your paycheck for taxes. This withholding is based on the information you provide on your W-4 form, including your filing status and allowances. Withholding helps you pay your tax bill gradually instead of all at once. At the end of the year, you must file a tax return with the IRS, and usually your state government, to determine if you paid the correct amount. If too much was withheld, you get a refund. If too little was withheld, you owe additional taxes. Filing ensures accuracy and accountability. Credits and deductions can reduce the amount of tax you owe. Deductions like student loan interest or education expenses reduce your taxable income. Credits, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or education credits, directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, often saving you more money. Understanding federal and state income taxes helps you plan your budget, know what to expect in your paycheck, and avoid surprises at tax time. It also helps you make smart choices, like adjusting your W-4 to better match your situation and maximizing credits and deductions. To summarize, income taxes fund essential services and are based on your income and location. Federal income tax uses a progressive system with tax brackets, while state taxes vary widely. By understanding these basics, you can take control of your financial life and plan ahead with confidence. This concludes our discussion about the basics of federal and state income taxes. In the next lesson, we will learn about tax planning. See you then.